Ang 2024, exciting.
Ako po ay isang Pilipino.
I'd like to begin with a word of gratitude to
I would like to express my
The Quadcom likewise recommends
evidence of its existence.
That would be outside the scope of
11.
Ang ina ninyong lahat.
Nakakabahala ang mga pahayag na narinig na.
Ibig sabihin, mas dumadami at lumalakas
Masalimot yung 2024 eh. Meron tayong mga tagumpay. Sa harap ng Balita 2024, the RBN Integrated News Year-End Special, December 28 to 29, 9:30 p.m.